Students, now our one of the most important topic, that is greenhouse effect, is now going to be discussed. Okay, as I have told you about the ozone already, and I have told you about the air pollutions and the causes and effects of air pollutions. So here, why I am going to say you this, because air and pollution that we are making, this is affecting the greenhouse nowadays, and that is making global warming. And I have told you that we are going to discuss global warming in greenhouse topic. Okay, so here what is greenhouse? Actually, let us learn this thing first. Okay, so this greenhouse effect, you know that our air is consist of a lot of gases, mainly nitrogen and oxygen. A part of it we are having that much of gases, and even in ozone I have told you that methane, carbon dioxide and chlorofluorocarbon are the gases that is affecting the ozone right now. But here somehow when carbon dioxide gas and ozone gas and methane gas, in earlier time we could say that these are the boon for this planet. How come? As you know that here our sun is giving us radiations, and that is get reflected through this atmosphere. That is fine. So we are able to survive during day because of the atmosphere. But what is happening during the night? During night, when here there is no sun, at this place when there is no sun, now at the night time we are having, if we are not having the atmosphere, then it would be a very cool place to survive. The temperature would get into the -100 centigrade. Now this is not a condition for the living. So what is happening? Because of these gases, the air, the heat that is coming out from the sun could trap by this. Okay, so these are trapping the heat here inside them. Now during the night, the Earth's atmosphere is not letting them to release these air out of the surface, like out of the atmosphere. Now ये अब बाहर तो जा नहीं पा रही है स्पेस में, सो एटमॉस्फेयर इनको रोक के रखा हुआ है यहाँ पे. दैट मेक्स इट टू वार्मर, तो ये इसको बहुत थोड़ा सा गर्म बना के रखती है एटमॉस्फेयर को. दैट हेल्प अस टू सर्वाइव ड्यूरिंग नाइट टाइम. So we could say that here greenhouse effect. This is greenhouse effect. What is it? Greenhouse suggests you that our Earth planet, this is greenhouse because it has a layer. Have you seen nursery in which the small plants are get grown up by own when they are in the shed, and that shed is made up of a glass? So here the atmosphere is also acting as a glass. Okay, why I am saying this, that this is acting as a glass? Because once, let's suppose here is a sun. So once the heat is getting in, it is not get out because it is inside the glass now. Glass is the capability that let the heat to come inside, but it would not let heat to release out from the glass. That is good. Okay, so here the sun, here the heat that is coming inside the atmosphere is now some of the heat, that is 1% of the Earth's sun's total heat is coming inside the Earth planet atmosphere, and rest of the thing is get reflected back because of the atmosphere only. That is also good. So we are able to survive during daytime. Now during night, this 1% of heat only is the reason that we could survive. Greenhouse and this glass is its effect. The effect of these greenhouse, because these are known to be as the greenhouse gases. इनको क्या बोलते हैं हम? Greenhouse gases. Okay, so all these examples that I have written here, carbon dioxide, methane, ozone, chlorofluorocarbon, nitrous oxide and water vapor, all these are the greenhouse gases, and these are trapping the heat inside them that is coming inside the atmosphere, and that let us the atmosphere during night warmer. So we can say that greenhouse effect is very good for us. Okay, but the thing that is happening now, up till this it is good, abhi tak ye theek hai, but what is happening due to the emission that is coming out of the factories, due to the burning of fossil fuels, due to the various a lot of vehicles that we are using, and the main reason is the deforestation. The forestation we are doing day by day. Deforestation means cutting up of trees, cutting off or the forests. So जो ये हम कर रहे हैं, that is very bad. Why? Because plants are the only thing that is inhaling carbon dioxide and producing more and more oxygen. And if we are deleting them, like we are erasing them from our nature, so who will now inhale carbon dioxide, takes up carbon dioxide and to convert it again to give the oxygen? No one has the power such that could do that thing. So one of the most important reason for the global warming to build up, okay, is this deforestation. Now what is happening with the global warming, that all these gases now get used on very high pace, okay, because of the factories, because of the emission of the fossil fuels, because of the deforestation. अब ये सारी gases जो greenhouse gases है, ये बहुत ज़्यादा तादाद में बढ़ गई हैं. They are increasing day by day. Now when they are increasing, now they are able to trap the sun's heat. They have energy to do that. Now when the sun's heat is coming, they are trapping, because they have increased in a number now, so more and more heat get trapped inside the atmosphere. Now that heat won't be able to go outside because of the greenhouse effect. That was good, but we are having a sheet around our planet that is of like a glass, so that won't allow heat to go back, that is trapping the heat in it. So these gases are trapping all of the heat inside them and now won't let them to go outside it. So this will make the Earth's temperature will also get high. So टेम्परेचर भी हाई हो रहा है, ये गैसेस हाई होंगी तो टेम्परेचर ऑटोमेटिकली हाई होगा. और जब टेम्परेचर, एवरेज टेम्परेचर और जो हमारे प्लैनेट का होना चाहिए वो अगर बढ़ गया तो क्या होगा? All the glaciers that are present on the pole areas of this planet, that is going to be melt. Now when these glaciers are going to melt all of it, there would be no land present. ओके, जितना भी माउंट एवरेस्ट भी डूब जाएगा. ओके, इतना इन ग्लेशियर्स ने पानी को रोक के रखा हुआ है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ आइस. ओके, सो दैट इज अ वेरी बैड थिंग. यू नो, डे बाय डे the level of the sea is getting risen up, and the level, then the area, space that is covered by the land is getting reduced. So where would we survive then? Where would we live? We cannot live on water. We cannot live in air. We need land to live on, and that is not getting done if the temperature is going to be rising up like this. That is known as rising up of the temperature at this pace because of increasing of the greenhouse gases. This is known as global warming. So global warming is bad, but greenhouse effect is good. So we should go with the greenhouse effect firstly, that is limitizing the use of greenhouse gases so that it could only help us to keep us warm during night. Not making use of these gases in such a high pace that is leading us to the global warming again.